I can see 4 Coast Guard boats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Conditions on the bar are probably not the best. So we're going to check it out. We go a little closer to see that. If it's too rough, we turn around and anchor here and wait for better conditions. If we can't handle it, we go out. I don't know if you can see that, but this is all the sand spit with white water, but the channel looks good. We're going a little bit closer. Okay, channel conditions. Let's check to channel 2-2.
Following is the unofficial barn wet conditions for the Great Solar Bar at Tuesday, October 4th at 15. High tide.
So 22-30 knots of wind, 4 miles visibility, and 10-12 feet waves.
Do not expect commercial passenger vessels over 40 feet. They're not permitted to operate west of left because of unsafe conditions. The United States Coast Guard, Great Harbor, out.
Okay, vessels up to 40 feet are not permitted to cross the bar, but we are bigger. Okay, now we have a little more rain. And actually, Coast Guard says it's prohibited to cross the bar west of buoy 11, which is the green one just in front of us. You can see it from here. For me, it looks wide, but not too wide. I think there's plenty room to go out. I can see some huge mountains over there, but this is all very shallow. And the deep channel in front of us, I just see some little white tips. Nothing which I would be worried about. Okay, let's turn around. I think it's not worth it. I think we can make it, but there's still a slight chance that it's eating too much on our souls. Maybe something breaks and Coast Guard doesn't want us to go there. So let's skip it. Going over there in the shade. Wind cover of the island. Turn on the heater, drink a hot coffee or tea, grab a book. Let's wait. No rock and roll today. I'm prepared for rock and roll. I have my neck warmer on. Let's go surfing. Woohoo! Surfing? Surfing! River bar on a good day. Not a very good one, but good enough for us to turn around. Wie magst du das Geschaukel? Ah. Abbruch der Wettfahrt, Startbereitschaft im Hafen. Columbia River Bar channel crossing aborted for today. Coast Guard restricted access west of buoy 11, and we went exactly to that point. Maybe a little more. But now we turn around and try to find an anchorage. It's just too wild and it's not worth the risk. So over and out, stand by in Astoria. Good morning. Come on. We have a calm day today. Yesterday night was blowing like hell, but now it's calm and we contacted the Coast Guard this morning. They gave us permission to cross the bar because we are bigger than 40 feet, and it's supposed to be 14 feet swell out there, so we see, but we are perfectly on the slack water, and we are going to cross the bar. Let's see how the conditions out there are for real. Slack water was 10 minutes ago. about to go. Now they're doing man overboard. Without a man, I hope. Hero, the hero! Blue skies of Kentucky. I always wanted to do that. So the squall went through. Now we are running into some kind of blue sky. Wind is down. And waves begin confusing. Coming from the northwest. Roller coaster for free! So we crossed the bar, waves were up to 16 feet they say, and it was quite wild, but it was okay. I mean, we could handle it. Zero was going through it with over 6 knots. The engine was running quite high with 2200 RPMs, which I usually barely never do, but I thought it would be a good idea to have a little extra pushing power against the waves. And yep, here we are outside. A couple squalls later, it's nice sunny weather. We are heading south. We're doing around 7.5 to 8 knots, and hopefully be there in Coos Bay tomorrow within 24 hours. It's a 180 miles trip. There's a huge front, a huge depression out there in the west, coming from the northwest towards exactly Columbia River, and we don't want to be hit by this vessel. I think there will be winds up to 40, 50, maybe more knots. The weather forecast shows just a big purple depression, and knock on wood, so it will be good, and we will be in Coos Bay soon.
From night comes this October morning's first light. From black the clouds part ways and neither looks back. I've been chasing the sun, I've been chasing the wrong one. I've tried time and again to pile stone upon stone, unbalance these scales. Now I'm trying again, I can finally see the reason it fails. If you're heavy then you'll never set sail. So get ready, it's time to admit you have lost a lover. Just one chapter over. Don't run for cover, and you might lose a lover, gain a friend.
What's next on syZERO? We met 2 of our followers and spent some nice days exploring Oregon with them. Their welcome to Coos Bay was amazing. And then Tony recruits me as a police deputy. I'm going on night shift.
Computer that we use where dispatch can enter calls, and it'll show us what calls, what crimes or what incidents we have to go.
It's just me and my boat.